everyone, I'm Jenny. In my hands, I hold a freshly machined aluminum part. Despite its seemingly modest size, this piece has endured several hours of relentless machining to reach its current state. But can we just get this all packed up and send it out to the customer now? No, not yet. Do you know how many steps are involved from the part being machined to being ready for shipment? Today, join me in exploring the journey of the parts from CNC machine to the customer's hands. After machining, the first step for the CNC machined parts is our Handcraft Department, where skilled craftsmen carefully polish each piece to meet the customer's service finish requirements. Here is the part after polishing, and look, there is a significant difference between the polished and unpolished parts. After polishing, we often use machines to measure and ensure that the surface roughness meets the standard. Now the next step is the Quality Inspection Department, the heart of quality control. We've got a team of over 15 skilled professionals in there using all sorts of inspection tools like calipers, head gauges, projectors, and 2D and 3D measuring machines. What I have in my hands is the inspection report. Every part that leaves our facility undergoes quality inspection. We can provide full dimensional inspection reports on request. This report will include the following quantity of parts, critical dimensions, threads, and tolerance, part appearance, etc. You can always contact your sales representative for specific details on the inspection report. The time spent in the quality inspection is influenced by the part size, features, and customer requirements. Finally, we've arrived at the packaging department. Our handcrafting, quality inspection, and the packaging departments are conveniently located on the same floor to ensure efficient workflow. Our packaging includes both inner and outer packaging, with other packaging options like cardboard or wooden boxes chosen based on the part's characteristics. Packaging is crucial for maintaining part quality as well, and you can find in our previous video on how we secure your part safety in shipment. Once the part is packaged, we update the information in our logistics system, generating a tracking number based on the customer's chosen shipping method. Now the package is ready to be placed in the shipping waiting area. Every afternoon, the logistics service providers come to collect the items for transport. Did you know that, thanks to UPS premium service, we can now deliver the United States in as little as 1 day? Okay, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. This is Jenny signing off. Goodbye.